Brand new skincare and makeup by Chantecaille. I have the new Biolifting corrector, concealer, the reformulated Biolifting serum, and I also have the whole skincare, brand new skincare collection. It's called Blank Peony. We have a face serum, day cream, night cream, and an eye serum. So today I want to give you a review on all of these products and give you my opinion, which ones are worth it, which ones are not, which ones are effective, do they work, do they not work. I'll start with the Biolifting concealer because this is a makeup, but it's also skincare. I do have to tell you that I've been using Chantecaille makeup for 10 years, ever since Chantecaille came out, maybe even longer. And I have every makeup item by Chantecaille. I absolutely adore Chantecaille makeup. I also love the fact that they do donate to certain charity and natural preserve organization. There's always a charity component. Chantecaille's formulas are sophisticated, they're absolutely beautiful, but this is, I believe, their first item that claims to be truly a skincare makeup item, and it's called the Biolifting concealer. I have it in two different shades. I'm wearing macadamia today. I can technically wear both of these. I didn't know which one would be a better fit for me, but I can wear both of them. First, as a makeup item, as a concealer, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm very picky about my concealers. I like them to be medium to full coverage, but I don't want them to be heavy or cakey. I don't want them to crease, and I want them to be very, very long lasting because I have very long days. And this gives me all of it. It's hydrating, but it dries down, so it doesn't stay super wet or super glossy. I don't want them to be glossy. You don't want your under eye area to be luminous. In fact, technically you want it to be matte but hydrating, and that's exactly what this does. It's medium coverage, but it covers enough sufficiently the under eye area. It doesn't crease. It's a beautiful product. And now adding on top of it the fact that it's also a skincare product, that gives it additional points on top of that. And when it comes to skincare and Chantecaille, the best thing about them is the fact that they clinically test every one of their skincare products, and this is technically a skincare product, so it is clinically tested as well. Now, it's clinically tested by a third party. They also do their own internal clinical study, and they also do a self-reporting clinical study. So 3 different types of clinical studies. I'm usually very interested in only the first one. So this claims to be smoothing, it claims to erase wrinkles and hydrate you, and pretty much an anti-aging product for the eye area. And the clinical study does show a significant success. Now, I've only been wearing this for about a week or so, maybe a little bit longer, so I can't tell you the long-term effects of this. And also, this definitely has an immediate hydrating and kind of plumping effect. So if you have lines, this will kind of fill them up immediately without creasing. And I think this is why it's important for a concealer to be also a skincare product, because you do want that area to plump. And they are using a peptide complex for that, to fill all the wrinkles and to plump the skin, so it visibly removes wrinkles immediately and over time. They're also using Persian silk tree, which is great for dark circles and darkness. And they're also using gentian lutea, which is great for puffiness. So this is a great concealer with some anti-aging component to it. Now, you can rely on this concealer to take care of your under eye and around the eye skincare needs, right? I mean, it's a great addition. I prefer that my makeup has anti-aging component to it, but you can't rely solely on this because it's still a makeup item, right? It's still a makeup product, so it's meant to sit on top of the skin, not technically penetrate deep into the skin. But I love this product. This is another successful product by Chantecaille. Biolifting serum. This is technically the first serum that you will apply as a skincare component of your skincare regimen. Now, something else that you need to know about Chantecaille. Chantecaille claims to be a clean, or is led by a clean standard when it comes to skincare. All of their skincare products and makeup, by the way, are clean conscious, meaning they're very careful about the ingredients that they use, and I can appreciate that about them. It's the same with this. So this claims to lift your skin, remove wrinkles and lines and etc. And the way that it's doing is they're using an algae tensing complex. So a special algae that when you put this on the skin, it actually tenses up your skin in about 15 minutes. I didn't quite feel it the first few times, but then after a week or so, you can kind of notice that some of your lines, especially these lines here, kind of disappeared. And long term, they're using 5 different groups of peptides. There's some plant-based stem cells here. So overall, this is actually a great product. Now, because I've tested so many other products like this, tensing products, not with the same mechanism. This is one very rare mechanism on the market using an algae tensing complex to accomplish this. But if you have sensitive skin, this is a good way of going about it if you want a firming product. It has a very nice botanical scent. It's hydrating. It's a beautiful texture. It sinks in immediately. It tenses up, it firms up your skin immediately. The name doesn't correspond to exactly what it does. I mean, they're calling it a biolifting serum, which implies lifting of the skin. I would have to call this more of a firming product. It doesn't really lift, because when you think about a lifting product, you know, I'm thinking about a lift, right? This is more of a firming product, which means that it will remove your lines and wrinkles and etc. And it does it in a very, very successful way, because yes, it does firm up the skin. It's not going to, you're not going to see a facelift from it though. Overall, a great product. Again, the texture is amazing. I think they put a lot of research and love into this. Now let's talk about the brand new line, the blank Peony line, which was designed to be anti-aging, but it's also designed to remove dark spots and to brighten and kind of unify your skin tone. So we have a face serum, the eye serum, a day cream, and a night mask. They call it a mask, but it's technically a cream. Dark spot correcting serum. This is a beautiful texture. It smells like peony a little bit. I didn't have any dark spots on my face that I needed to correct, because this claims that it will remove dark spots. And by the way, this is what the clinical study showed as well. The majority of people reported dark spot correcting or removal within the first 8 weeks of usage. So we're gonna go with the science and the clinical study, but I do have to tell you that after about 2 weeks of using this, it actually unified my skin tone. It brightened it a little bit. Just my whole skin became a little bit brighter, just kind of unified, beautiful milky tone. Very, very pleasant serumy texture. The packaging is spectacular. This is glass. This is very functional. The pipette is functional. It is actually a beautiful, beautiful serum. One other thing I noticed with this serum is that I don't traditionally have enlarged pores, but this completely remove them. So I think this will definitely help with enlarged pores and visible pores. And obviously, because the whole collection is called blank peony, so they are using white peony as a component of their ingredients in doing so. And yes, white peony has the ability to do so. They're also using thiamidol, which is a great vitamin, kind of like vitamin C, a great antioxidant, great dark spot corrector as well. In addition to that, this is technically also an anti-aging product, because there's peptides here, there's willow bark, there's other ingredients that kind of boost elastin and collagen production of the skin. So this is an overall an anti-aging product, but kind of focuses on removing dark spots and boosting radiance to the skin, removing pores, and also evening out your skin. Yes, this serum I definitely recommend. The eye serum is great for hydration, lines, and wrinkles. It doesn't do anything else, but yes, I definitely see my expression lines are minimized. I don't have any Botox, as you can see my lines, but when I'm not smiling, you cannot see any lines. It is a great eye serum. You can rely on this, although it's blank peony and you're thinking you will remove dark circles and puffiness. It will not do that, but it's a great hydration delivery system. And also I do like the packaging. The packaging is actually, I usually don't use the dispensing mechanism, but this one I did, because it is truly comfortable actually of using it. The serum is the viscosity viscosity of it is so thin, the texture is so thin that it makes me want to use the whole thing. It is actually a beautiful product. And for what it is, considering that it removes crow's feet and lines and wrinkles and it hydrates quite well, and usually serums have to be combined with creams, this one you don't have to, you can just use this. I think the price is also amazing for what it is. So the value is here in this. Dark spot correcting face cream. So this is your day cream. This is the product out of the whole collection that I can't tell you that I'm crazy about it. Yes, it may remove dark spots, which I didn't have to begin with. And yes, it hydrates a little bit, but if you have very, very, very dry skin, this is not for you. I think if you have oily skin, normal to oily skin, combination skin, you will probably love this. But if you are dehydrated or if you're very, very dry, this is probably not enough. You will have to add another serum, another hydrating serum, or just get the night cream. And I'll talk to you a little bit about this in a little bit, but it smells very nice. The whole collection smells like white peony, blank peony, right? Very subtle, very sophisticated. I don't find this to be something spectacular, as exceptional. I'm after exceptional products. Yes, is it a good cream? Absolutely. Is it good enough? Yes. But you have to use it with everything else. You have to get the whole collection. If you get it on its own, I don't think that it's special enough. On its own, you will not survive on its own. It has to be used with the other blank peony products. The night mask cream, on the other hand, and there's nothing here, nothing in particular that will prevent you from using it during the day. Just get the night cream and use it in the morning because the texture of this is absolutely spectacular. This is kind of like whipped cream slash yogurt slash mayonnaise. This is how it feels and looks. This is spectacular. I love it so much. And it's also an anti-aging product because yes, it does have peptides and it does have some stem cells, and it also contains the blank peony, which will overnight kind of unify your skin tone, give you radiance. When you apply it, it gives you actually immediate radiance and it gives you immediate hydration and immediate comfort of the skin. This is an exceptional product. The night mask cream is not a mask, it's a cream. I know they're calling it a mask because if you have very oily skin, this will feel more like a mask because it's super hydrating. The texture is very thin though, so if you apply very, very little, even if you have oily skin, this would not be too much for you, too heavy for you. It's not a heavy cream. I've been using the other one, the day cream, in the day, but I'm noticing the huge difference between the two. I definitely prefer the night one. This cream is something very, very, very special. And I think overnight, it definitely gives me a radiance. I wake up with plump, radiant, smooth, dolphin-like skin. Someone sent me a note a couple of weeks ago. Can you give me a cream that I'm gonna put it on at night and I wanna wake up with glossy skin, glass-like skin? This is it. And it doesn't only kind of give you the glass skin, but it also unifies the skin tone. And if you have dark spots, this will help you with that as well. This cream is something very special. And now if you add a retinol to these 4 products, now you have a complete skincare routine that you can use in the morning and the retinol at night. The retinol synergist I'd recommend because we are talking about dark spots and dark spots correcting. The retinol synergist does a great job because it has retinol, but it also has melanoxazine, which corrects dark spots and removes hyperpigmentation. So now you have a complete skincare routine. And this is it on new products by Chantecaille. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.